Today I am going to discuss about three types of marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Number 1 is valid marriage, number 2 is void marriage, and number 3 is voidable marriage. So first one is valid marriage. A marriage will be considered as valid by satisfying 5 essential conditions. Now what are these 5 essential conditions? First one is monogamy. It means bride and groom must not have a living spouse at the time of the marriage. The second one is both the parties must be of sound mind and capable of giving valid consent. Now third one is a groom must be at least 21 years of age and a bride must be at least 18 years of age at the time of marriage. Next one is prohibited relationship. It means both the couple must not be within prohibited relationship unless the custom allow it. Now next one is the couple must not be from the direct lineage unless the custom allow it. Now next one is void marriage, which is illegal and invalid in the eye of law. Now marriage will be considered as void by satisfying some conditions. First one is bigamy. If either spouse already married at the time of the wedding, then the second marriage is considered as void. The second one is if the couple is related too closely like siblings, then the marriage will be considered as void. Now next one is if the couple belongs to the same direct lineage and the customs don't allow it, then it will be considered as void. Now, void marriage is totally illegal and invalid in the eye of law. Next one is voidable marriage. Voidable marriage means a marriage is valid until challenged in court under section 12 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. It means it is legal but it can be declared as void or invalid if one spouse raises objection. Now under what grounds the marriage will be considered as voidable marriage? Number 1 is if either spouse forced or threatened to the marriage, then they can get annulled. Next one is if either spouse was mentally unstable and incapable of giving valid consent to the marriage, then it may be considered as voidable marriage. The next one is if either party was underage at the time of the marriage. Next one is impotency. It means if either spouse is physically incapable of consummating the marriage, then the other one can seek for annulment. Next one is if a wife was already pregnant by another man, then the other one can seek for annulment. So these are the three types of marriage: valid marriage, void marriage, and voidable marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955.